From thinking you can flee from the cops
in traffic, not with a car. Put your car in park, stop!
to an entitled woman turns her friend's night out into a disaster.
Allison! I can't breathe! Allison!
These women often believe they're above the law and superior to the officers arresting them.
We're living a life. We're living a life.
Are you with me?
I am absolutely not.
In today's video, we'll watch the compilation times when super psycho Karens try to intimidate good cops but get humbled.
I'm not playing this game. Turn around.
Excuse me,
Turn
sir,
around.
you're assaulting me. You're assaulting me.
A cop attempted to pull over a car for speeding on June 14th, 2024, but the driver refused to stop.
Hey, roll down your window. Put your car in park.
Why?
Put your car in park.
Why?
Because I'm stopping you. Put your car in park. Speeding. Put your car in park. Put your car in park. Put your car in park.
You don't have no jurisdiction over me.
Put your car in park.
You don't have
Put your car in park.
You don't have jurisdiction over me.
925, we're stopped in traffic, not with a car. Put your car in park, stop!
Station to be killed. One female subject with child in the car.
Dog. Southbound, continuing. Subject advised. We don't have jurisdiction to stop her.
After catching up with the woman, the officer immediately placed her under arrest.
Hey, roll down your window. Put your car in park.
Why?
Put your car in park.
Why?
Because I'm stopping you. Put your car in park. Speeding. Put your car in park. Put your car in park. Put your car in park.
You don't have no jurisdiction over me.
Put your car in park.
You don't have
Put your car in park.
You don't have jurisdiction over me.
925, we're stopped in traffic, not with a car. Put your car in park, stop!
Station to be killed. One female subject with child in the car.
Dog. Southbound, continuing. Subject advised. We don't have jurisdiction to stop her. What's the apartment number on that address? Ma'am.
You don't have jurisdiction over me. I don't know why you was telling me to stop.
No, I
but
absolutely
I
am telling you to stop. I do have jurisdiction
I don't
over
know
you.
why,
You're
though.
within Pinellas County. Okay?
I don't have jurisdiction over you.
And 10, 12, 10, 4. Slow everybody else down.
Copy. All you need is just 1097. Slow down.
Okay, listen.
Sir, I don't have to listen to you. I don't know
Absolutely.
why you say I was speeding,
Yes,
but
I need your
going-
driver's license.
I don't have to give you my driver's license.
You absolutely have to identify
Where's
yourself.
the proof that I was speeding? How was I speeding if you was behind me the whole time with, I guess,
Stand by.
with the
Are you
lights?
gonna produce your driver's license or not?
For what, though?
Because I'm stopping you because you're going 51 miles an hour to 35.
What is the probable cause?
That's my probable cause. 51 and a 35.
Where's the proof of that? You was behind
Okay,
me.
I'm not playing this game.
Excuse me.
Turn around.
Excuse
Turn
me, sir.
around.
You're assaulting me. You're assaulting me. Sir, you're assaulting me. Go get my dad. You're assaulting me. What are
Stop
you?
resisting.
I'm not resisting. You're accosting me. Yo.
Man, put your arm behind your back right now.
Come on. Oh my God, y'all accosting me. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Don't talk to her. Don't say nothing to her. Not a damn thing. Do not talk to that lady. I don't care what she asks you.
1025. Yeah, 11015.
You guys are accosting me. This is a lawsuit.
Okay. Yo,
Stop touching my daughter, bro.
the car.
The woman was finally escorted to a squad car where she'll then make some more snarky remarks.
Bring her to the car.
Wait, hold on, wait. I know you. I know you. I know you. Can you please go? Can you please go make sure my daughter good? Like, what the is going on? What's going on? I don't know. He just came and banged on my window, my car window.
Get close to the cruiser for me. Widen your stance. Face the cruiser.
I was at a red light.
I'm gonna let you talk.
I don't want that lady talking to my yo.
Moving.
You ain't got Stop. Me. I want all y'all cars. Cause this man, ma'am, what are you doing?
Stop moving.
Bitch. Yo, y'all gotta be. Yo, alright, lawsuit.
Okay.
Ma'am, I was at a red light and this guy just came and banged on my dad's window for nothing. I'm like, what the are you doing? He's like, oh, get out the car. I'm like, for what? He's like, oh, well, I didn't even hear what he said. And I'm like, you have jurisdiction over me. I didn't do anything. He just tried to get me to, I don't know what the hell happened. Well, then I just kept going because I don't know you. You have guns. I don't know you.
Get in the car. Get in the car.
This is a lawsuit. I just dealt with y'all, bro. Yo, what the? This is a lawsuit, bro. This is a lawsuit, bro.
My thing on city.
Here.
Is that mine?
I think it's yours. Yeah, it's yours.
Just give us a minute because we're going to search it.
All right.
I swear to God, Dad, this guy, I'm at a red light. This guy right here just came out of nowhere, banging on the door, telling me to get out.
The woman continued to deny any wrongdoing, and moments later, the officer noticed that she had somehow slipped out of her handcuffs.
I never gave him consent to search my stuff. I promise y'all, this is a lawsuit. No.
I want to hear
I'm
from
about to tell you exactly what happened.
Okay,
I'm coming from.
Please do, but don't yell.
I'm upset. He came out. I'm driving. I got scared.
Turn around.
I got
Turn around.
scared.
Put the
'cause
cuffs
I'm
back
like,
behind you.
what
Turn back around.
It slid off because my hand was sweaty.
We got to recuff it, so turn.
Cuff it in the front because
No.
I can't do my bones that far back. I have a health condition.
What's your health condition?
No.
Oh my gosh.
You're going to do what you're told.
But you don't have no jurisdiction over me. How about that? How about you're gonna do what you're told when I file a lawsuit?
Rotate your body.
Cause y'all accosted me.
You go over there if you want.
Every time I come here, it's something with y'all. This is my second time coming here. Y'all f***ing with me. Like, so he banging on the door and I'm scared at this point. I'm like, why are you banging on the door? He like, get out, get out, get out. I'm like, for what? He's like, oh, get out, get out.
I didn't say get out at all.
Yes, you did. You
No,
said.
I said I need your license.
Speak to me. Speak to me.
So he told me to.
The woman kept arguing with the officer, insisting she had done nothing wrong, unaware that all her previous actions had been caught on body cam.
Get out.
Hey, roll down your window.
Why you banging on
Put your car in park.
Why?
Put your car in park.
Why?
Because I'm stopping you. Put your car in park. Speeding.
And I'm like, for what? He was like, I need your license. I need your license. I'm like, what do you need my license for? What is the problem? I'm trying to figure out what
where
the
were you
hell.
going to?
I was on my way to my dad's house.
Okay, and Dad's house is here.
Yeah,
Okay.
you know that.
I just gotta double check. It's been a minute.
So at that point I'm scared and he don't got no jurisdiction over me. I'm not from here. I come here every here and now to visit
Still
my
up in
dad.
Georgia?
Yes, I stay in Georgia. Yes.
Okay.
My daughter stays here with my dad while I'm in Georgia and I come back and forth
You go
to
back
be
and
a mom. Yes. So he just came out of nowhere. He banged like
What do you think he pulled you over for? You think you were
I
speeding?
didn't care
or-
to know because I didn't do anything.
Okay.
He just now said, "Oh, you was going 51 in the 35."
Listen, I asked you these questions because I wasn't there.
A 51 in the 35.
Okay. So and then what happened?
Do you know how that looks? That would look like real life speeding. Like that's speeding
Yeah, especially in a whatever zone you're
with the
in.
child in the car. So I'm like, I was not just going 51 in the 35.
Mm-hmm.
I saw him right there. The lady let me over. I signaled for her so I can get over. I got over and I drove.
Is this
He
you
came-
and the baby in the car?
Yes, he came out of nowhere, banging on the car. I'm scared for my life because I had situations with y'all just recently.
Did you hear the siren in the?
No, I'm
See,
not
it's-
thinking
it's-
that I'm not thinking that he has anything to do with me because I did not do anything.
I got you.
I didn't do anything.
I just want to know from your point of view what happened because, like I said, I wasn't there. It was just him and you and baby.
Y'all have no right to do this. You have no probable cause. You have no proof of anything. I just picked up my daughter. How am I doing a 53 and a 35 or whatever he said? How? With the child in the car? How?
I wasn't.
Do you have a speeding radar gun that you shot up and then?
He does. He is speed.
That was that. Does that show that I did that? Because I wasn't the only car driving.
So just so you know, when you get pulled over and you leave, that's fleeing.
What?
What you did today?
I didn't get pulled over though. He came to the stoplight and banged on my dad's car. I didn't know.
He activated his lights and sirens.
He didn't say pull over.
We don't have to say pull over.
He didn't activate
a lawful
no.
traffic stop. I'm pretty sure he did, and he could probably prove that to you with body camera and in-car.
The woman was charged with resisting an officer without violence and fleeing eluding a police officer, which is classified as a felony. These charges can lead to serious penalties, including up to 5 years in prison, hefty fines, and a permanent criminal record. Depending on the circumstances, she could also face probation or mandatory court programs. Everyone has their opinion, and the viewers who commented below this video are no exception. That level of stupidity should be a felony. Driving without a license, speeding, disobeying lawful orders, fleeing, resisting arrest. I did nothing wrong. Professional victim. Attempting to flee or resist even without violence can escalate the situation and result in felony charges. And without keeping everyone waiting too long, we will immediately move on to the second situation.
You gotta start kicking. Stop pinching me.
On May 13th, 2022, police were called to a dispute outside a nightclub. Upon arriving to interview all individuals involved, officers came across a woman who turned aggressive right away.
Yeah, all y'all, come here.
Yeah, I've got nothing.
Okay, what's going on?
It is complete miscommunication and misunderstanding.
Hey Jeff, she just got in that car. I just got to talk to her. She's part of it.
I was attacked at the bar. You can pull the cameras.
Okay, what's going on down there?
Okay. This security guard, I don't know if he's a security guard or not,
Okay,
started yelling at one of my friends
okay,
because she was trying to take a picture by a vending machine. I don't know what it was.
okay.
He started yelling at her in Spanish, and I spoke to him in Spanish and said, "Hey, you don't have to speak to her in that tone."
Your friend is the girl in the beige?
Yes.
Okay.
And then a bartender from the building
Alright.
came out and said, "You don't have to speak to him like that." Hey, look, he's speaking to my friend.
Yeah.
She's taking a picture by the vending machine. I don't know.
Okay.
Anyway, we left. She said, "Hey, you get in my face one more time, and I'm gonna hit you."
The bartender?
The bartender. Yeah.
Okay.
One of the
This is my bar.
workers.
This is my bar.
Yeah, she's a little dramatic.
Yeah. So she's at the door pushing me out on us. So I'm like, "Hey, don't talk to me like that." And she pushes me out, and into the street. So this guy's fucking calling you guys. I'm like, "Hey, what are you doing?" I was hit first.
Yeah.
I was attacked. I'm walking
You can hear
away.
it in the video. I'm suing you. I'm suing you. I'm suing
Yeah,
you.
like, so.
If we're being real, if we have to bring police into it, she's 100% on her first.
I'm
my
from
phone's
here.
fucking gone, and someone
We're
stole
out of
it.
state.
They're out of state. I flew them down to visit. Now I know how Jimmy girls are. I know the bartender's coming. I know
Fucking phone,
Marcusha.
someone stole
That
it.
called the other girl
It's
bartender.
dead.
They're
Turned off.
always nice to take care of
What does it
us.
look like?
But this
No,
is
someone
their
stole it. It's
smoking
turned off.
box.
So
It's
we
not
call it.
these are
It's turned off.
unfamiliar
What does
territory.
it look like?
It's fucking
And it
awesome.
just
But
got
it has my ID.
girl interaction.
Luckily, I have my card. My
She was attacked.
No, someone
Yes.
But I
The
can't get
bartender was
back.
in the wrong.
I can't get home
Yes.
without it.
But what is she supposed to do? She's being attacked. She offended my.
Yeah, can you go make 2-5 with... Apparently, the bartender's the one that started it.
Yeah, the bartender's the one that started it. She hit me.
With the statements being gathered, cops would now attempt to speak to the woman.
Hey, miss, come out and talk to us.
I don't need to. I wasn't involved. I was already out of there, so I had nothing to do with any of it.
Well, I would talk to you anyway.
Okay, well, you can call my lawyer if you'd like to. I literally just went to a bar and now I'm in my Uber. I ordered my Uber. Why do you need to talk to me?
Some other things may have occurred in between.
Can you tell me what those things were? And what my name is?
Well, I figured you'd tell me.
I don't have anything going on, so no. So long, farewell. I'll need to say goodbye.
Nope.
Oh, is that...
This ain't your car.
It just... Babe.
Sir.
Are you serious? This is like well against our rights.
Sir. I'm
Do you
trying to
really-
conduct an investigation. Would you
Bro,
like her to leave your car now?
I'll cancel the ride if it's, I don't know, if you're conducting the investigation.
I mean, I work with Pharrell Williams. Good luck.
I already know how this goes. I was in MP.
I mean, I don't want to
Okay.
fuck up this guy's life, but like, I don't have anything
Come on.
else going on.
You're gonna have to get another Uber.
Now, I'm gonna be honest with you. Right now, he's working on probable cause. You have to conduct a quick investigation to see what's going on for the area. So you guys
Okay, fine, whatever.
Thank you.
But
you do have to cooperate.
I'm sorry about your fare, man.
hey, babe.
Come on over here, dude.
I mean, I'm not doing anything illegal. It's legal for me to drink in the United States of America. I didn't do anything at all. Literally, just ordered an Uber. Can you reimburse me? Can I get reimbursed for my Uber? What are the? No, wait. I have every right to sit in my Uber. I don't have to. I have no. Like, I can go. I didn't do anything. So long, Carol. I'll be just like, no, you have no right.
You're trespassing in this vehicle.
Am I trespassing in your vehicle?
I'm out.
You're trespassing in this vehicle. Get out.
Yes, listen.
Oh my god, I'm so glad I'm recording right now. And I'm on a Netflix show with Pharrell Williams, and y'all don't even know the drama that has gone on.
The woman's friend advised her to cooperate with the police, but it seems she refused to listen.
Okay, Jack. I'm not doing anything wrong. Okay, what's that? Get quiet.
We're not trying to make it worse.
I just don't trust. I'm looking out for myself here, and I'm respecting myself, which is that's my right as an American.
Okay.
Which I'm sure you guys understand.
Get to those sidewalks.
You know, do you understand?
I just don't want you to make it worse than it has to be.
There's no. I'm not making it worse. These are my. I'm listening to myself, and I know my rights. Just so you guys are aware, I understand.
Automatically means
I understand, and I know my rights, and I know you guys know that I know and understand my rights. And I'm glad that they feel however way they feel. But
I do.
You guys know that I do know. I'm going to listen. And honestly, he's going to lose his job. But he did himself a disservice.
The Uber guy's gonna lose his job?
I just know you're used to dealing with the shit, so just
That's
go
fine.
with
We're trying.
I'm sorry, dude.
Just stop. For sure.
All right, shut the fuck up.
Megan, just stop.
Shut up.
What is wrong with you?
Shut up.
Breaking the law.
Okay, you're pissing me off. I'm trying to fucking talk to you.
I know this is pissing you off. Stop.
Hey, hold on.
Just stop.
After multiple warnings, the woman still refused to listen, forcing the officer to place her under arrest.
Right now, we are investigating something. You are not free to leave. If you
right.
do walk off,
Stop.
let's just listen, okay?
Okay.
If you walk off and you don't listen to us,
They're
you
gonna
will go to
arrest
jail.
you. Why? Because
You-
you're walking
you are
off.
not
There's
free
an
to
open
leave.
investigation. Why?
Because we are investigating a
What
crime.
are you investigating? What crime?
I've already explained this to you.
No,
If you don't
actually you
stop,
haven't.
and you're not from here, let me explain.
I'm from the. Shut up!
Stop.
Hey!
Stop
Whoa!
it. Stop it.
You have no right to.
Megan, stop. Stop, Megan. Just stop.
Go for it. Go for
Megan,
it.
you're not paying attention.
It's okay.
You're being ADHD. You're
No.
letting your disability
No one
control
has
you.
read me my Miranda rights. This is against the law.
They did tell you.
No.
Keep talking.
No, Allison.
Man, we're not asking you.
Allison.
We're not asking
My
you any
Miranda
questions
rights have
about
not been
anything,
read
so
to
we
you.
don't need to read your Miranda because you're not.
Actually, no, Miranda rights are written to me all the
You're going to
time.
jail.
I'm on a Netflix show with Pharrell Williams, and his cousin was just murdered. Oh my God! What
All
did
you
I
had to
do?
admit, ma'am,
What law have I broken? What law have
Right
I
now-
broken?
right
What
now-
law did I break? How did I break?
Stop
What
resisting.
did I do? I'm not
okay?
resisting.
You need to chill. Is what you need to do.
Oh my God! Wow.
You just talk like you're talking yourself into going to jail, which you don't have to. I've explained this to you several times.
Don't
Get
drop
up.
on the ground.
Get up.
You stand up. Stop.
Stop being such a drama
You're
queen.
awake. Stop. Just get up.
Stand
Yeah,
up.
I know. I'm perfectly sober.
Stop.
Just stop, dude.
I'm not asking.
Your friends are even telling you your friend is sleeping. Just stop.
LOL. My friends are
Let's
terrified.
go.
That's why your friends are
They're
yelling at
scared of you.
Other
Thank you guys. It's your fault I got arrested because they're.
Come on. Just walk, please. Just walk on the ground. It's your fault. Why are you falling on the ground? Get up.
Reading me my rights. Reading me my rights. My rights haven't been written.
Get up.
What did I do? What did I do?
Right now, you're under arrest.
What did I do? What did I do? What did I do? What did I do? You. What did I do? What did I do? What did I do? What did I do?
Are you gonna
What
stand up
did
like a
I
woman?
do? What did I
Just let her
do?
go. Let her go. Let her go.
What did I do? What did I do?
Hey,
Tell me what I
Sarge,
did right now.
dude, she's look at.
What
I mean,
did I
she's.
do right now? Tell me
I don't know what
I
you
did.
want us to do with her, but.
What did I do? Tell me
Yeah,
what I
well,
did.
we gotta deal with this
I
now.
wanna
Just
know
stay
what-
over there.
What did I do? What did I do?
You're under arrest.
What did
Yeah,
I
right
do?
now you're under
For
arrest.
what? For what?
Okay, hold on.
For what?
It's called obstruction resisting arrest.
No, but for what? What was I
I've
being
explained
arrested
this to
for?
you 5
No,
times.
you haven't told me what I was arrested for. You haven't read me my rights, my Miranda
I don't
rights.
need to read you your rights. I'm not
Yes,
asking
actually,
you
you
any
do. It's
questions.
required for you.
I'm not asking you any
Oh my
questions
God.
about any crime.
Why? This is insane, bro.
Stop.
Are you
Stand up.
serious?
Stop being such a drama queen. Stand up.
Hang on, let's get her covered.
I'm not
Get
being
it.
a drunk.
You are.
I'm on a Netflix show. I am actually signed to Pharrell Williams' label. Like, what did I do to you guys?
I'm dealing with it.
Why? Why are you guys doing this? Is insane. You guys know how bad you're fucking yourself.
Stop. Don't you bite me.
I didn't bite you.
Don't bite me.
Why are you doing this?
You just tried to bite me.
My dad.
You're getting a sprayed in 2 seconds.
The woman kept screaming and even tried to call for help from her friend.
Trying to get her up.
No, I got it. Let me lock this.
Allison, I'm scared. They're trying to kill me. Allison, I can't breathe. Allison, they're grinding me into the ground. Allison, they're trying to kill me. Allison, they're trying to kill me. Allison, I can't breathe. Allison, they're choking me out.
Sit
I
down.
can't breathe. Oh my God, they're gonna me. Allison!
Stand up. Just
Allison,
stand
they're
up.
trying to
already.
kill
Alright,
me.
everybody, hold on.
Allison, they're trying to. Allison! 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 Why?
Relax.
I didn't break.
Relax.
When did I break the law? Tell me when I broke the law.
Relax.
Tell me when I broke the law. Tell me when I broke the law.
I've explained to you.
No, you have not.
Watch this.
You
watch
haven't.
this- watch this hand right
When
here.
did I
Watch
break
this
the law?
hand
I
right here.
still have not heard. When have I
explained to you.
broke the law? When did I break the law?
Right now you're being disorderly, so.
No, but that's not the law. The law doesn't say I have to be loyal to you. I make more money than all y'all.
Who cares? What does that matter?
The law.
You
The
think I care about how
law.
much money you make?
No, I know you don't. I know you don't. But do you care about following the law? Do you care about following the law?
When the officers were about to put the woman into the car, she began to resist violently.
Okay.
Allison, they're trying to kill me.
Stop.
Allison, they're trying to kill me. Allison, they're trying to kill me.
Hang on. Put her feet down. Put her feet down.
It's your fault.
She's gonna start kicking.
It's your fault.
Stop pinching me.
I'm broken the law. Ah!
Stop.
She's pinching me. Start. I can't.
Bite it, don't break it. Dude, I'm not biting.
I didn't like
Get it
them.
down. Get it down.
I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. Allison, this is just a surprise. Allison.
I heard it from where I was.
Can we sit her up?
I would say that they 100%.
I'm right here. We're helping you up. We're helping you. 1, 2, 3, up. 1, 2, 3, up. We're doing okay.
Thanks.
We're doing okay, right?
Thanks
okay.
so much.
Look at me. No one's around you but me. Me and Natalia. No one is around you but me, okay? At the end of the way, you think they're your enemy. They want to help you. They don't want to see you like this. Listen, you can roll your eyes.
I'm sorry, but I'm in extreme pain. And I
completely understand.
And I'm about to die, so
who's
my circulation is cut off.
Who's here with you?
Wow,
Who's
everything
here with
I've
you?
ever thought
I'm
is
with you here.
more solidified than ever.
I'm with you.
The woman was charged with multiple counts of battery on law enforcement, resisting arrest, and disorderly conduct. These offenses are considered serious and can result in significant penalties, including imprisonment, heavy fines, and a permanent criminal record. Depending on the severity of the charges, she could face additional penalties such as probation or mandatory counseling. With such a crazy situation, the comments that followed after the video was released are also noteworthy. If I were Allison, I'd be reevaluating my friendships. The girl that delivered the coffee on a Netflix set saw Pharrell Williams once 100 mem away and tells all her friends she works with him. The Uber driver wanted to stay for that drama. The lesson is that resisting law enforcement can lead to serious consequences. What a stubborn Karen, right? Stay tuned because the next Karen reacts even more aggressively.
Not been in occupation of this vehicle. She drove.
I witnessed you.
On April 5th, 2024, while on patrol, an officer encountered an individual appearing intoxicated inside a vehicle.
I've got somebody coming with her.
What's going on with her?
She's had a little bit too much to drink. I don't want her to drive. Somebody's on the way to come get us.
Are you with her?
Yeah, it's my mom.
Okay.
She knows she can't drive. She's a little bit too drunk. We
How'd
just
she
came
get
from
here?
Chili's. Well, we were just at Chili's, which is right somewhere.
And she drove here?
Right there. She came from Chili's to here because we started driving. I was like, Mom, she even said I had a little bit too much to drink. I was like, let's park, have someone else come pick us up.
So she drove here with you?
Yes. But she's
Why didn't you drive?
I don't drive.
Okay.
I don't have a license. But I have someone on the way to come get us. She's okay. She just had a little bit too much to drink.
Adam Sam 83 David Adam. Back to inaccurate.
You're okay. I got someone going to get us. I don't know who called the
Can you
police.
just hang out, just wait over there while I talk to them?
Yeah. Somebody called the police.
Well, we're not going nowhere.
I know. That's what I'm telling you.
Hang out over there
Yes,
for me?
yes, yes, sir.
Just get the out of
No,
here.
don't talk to him like that, Mom. Please do yourself a favor.
Nobody's
you doing,
driving.
Do you have your identification on you, ma'am?
No, I don't.
But you do have to provide that to me?
I have not drove today.
Okay.
She did.
Can you give me your identification, please?
I have no identification.
Can you check in your purse?
I did.
It behooves you to
Honey, I have
cooperate.
no identification. I have not drove this car.
Okay.
I drove her friend to this position.
Mm-hmm.
I have no record of driving.
Okay. So can you provide me with your driver's license?
No, I don't have no
Do
driver's
you have ID on you, ma'am? What is her name?
Melissa.
Melissa what?
You did not. You realized that you were too drunk and you pulled over. Yes. We need to get you home now.
I did not drive us from here to there.
Why are you so mean for, man?
No. She needs to know that I have not been in occupation of this vehicle.
The mom grows agitated, denies driving, and gives unclear details about a friend named Stephanie.
I witnessed you coming out of the driver's seat when I pulled up.
You may have witnessed it, but she asked me not to get her because she doesn't have a license. So I have not drove.
Okay.
Other than from there to this far. I have not drove other than letting her drive. She told me she had a license.
She told you she had a license?
Yes, she did.
So why did you drive?
Because she told me asked to go to this place. Yeah. It was 3 freaking yeah. I don't drive. I don't like driving.
Okay, would you mind giving me your license then?
I don't have anything to give you, sir.
Okay. So you're driving without a license as well?
I don't drive.
I just witnessed you coming from the driver's seat.
Yes, but she asked me to move from there to there.
From where to there?
3 freaking parking spots to this spot.
Well, why are you being so mean to me?
I'm not being mean,
I
look.
feel you are, because I'm asking for your license, which I know you clearly have, and you're refusing to provide it to me.
I'm telling you, she asked me to move to this spot. That's it.
No.
Yes, sir.
Who's the registered owner of the vehicle, man?
His name Ray.
Who's he to you?
He is my master electrician, sir.
Master electrician?
Yes. Yes, sir.
That's all he is to you? There's no personal
I work
relationship?
for him, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right.
I have not drove this vehicle other than that part to this part.
So you drove from that parking lot to this parking lot?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And that's when I seen you getting out of the driver's seat and coming over here?
Yes, sir.
Where were you at before?
Otherwise, she was having she ate at this place, sir.
What place?
Right behind me, sir.
She ate here?
Yes, sir.
What'd she order?
Chicken.
Chicken?
I think it's here.
Walgreens sells chicken?
No, we came from Applebee's. She drove.
Okay.
Emma, what? Your friend, Stephanie, we dropped off. Where's Stephanie?
Do you have somebody you can call?
No, but where's Stephanie?
I don't know a freaking Stephanie. What are you even talking about? I don't. Talking to Lily.
Police suspect Stephanie doesn't exist. The daughter admits their relationship is strained and things got out of control. The mom keeps insisting she hasn't driven.
I don't drive, sir.
So you don't have.
I don't drive. Her friend Stephanie drove here.
Okay.
And ran that way.
Okay. Oh, she ran that way?
Yes.
So we should go look for her that way?
Yes, that way.
Okay, we'll do that. But where did you have the license, or do you have even a Florida identification?
I don't have no identification, but that's my daughter.
Okay, I understand that's your daughter.
And I have not drove.
Okay.
Where's Stephanie? Your friend, where is Stephanie? Where my Stephanie, Emma.
Do you have any ID on you, ma'am?
See, I have nothing.
No. What's your name?
Emma.
That's my
E-M-M-A.
daughter.
All right. We're gonna have a traffic unit come evaluate her. Excuse me?
I don't need to be evaluated. Her friend Stephanie.
Mom, there.
Don't even bother arguing. Did you have a ride coming for you? Okay.
Stephanie ran that way.
Okay, we got somebody looking for Stephanie, all right? And you're confirmed there's no Stephanie, correct?
I'm her mother. I've never drove.
Don't do that. Is your mother still alive?
I'm her mother.
I know, but you said on your mother, right?
No, my mom's alive. Yes,
So
absolutely.
why would you swear to your mother that Stephanie went that way?
Stephanie ran. She don't have a license.
What's Stephanie look like?
She's a blonde hair, 5'6", skinny looking meth head.
What was she wearing?
White shirt, black pants.
Did it have any design on it? Any words?
I can't tell you that, sir.
How long were you with? Did Stephanie go out to eat with you guys?
She just offered to drive us.
She just offered to drive you and your
Yeah,
electrician and
one of
mechanics.
my friends that gave me a ride to my job, I don't know her that well. Her name's Stephanie. I have not been under that wheel.
And the owner of this vehicle knows that
Yes.
you took the car so Stephanie could drive.
The situation escalates when the mom claims she is a sovereign citizen, citing a 1040X tax form to argue she's no longer under U.S. jurisdiction and cannot be arrested.
We don't use signatures to arrest people, we use
No,
handcuffs.
my mother sent, my mother put my social security in my first birth certificate with me being an infant with not acknowledgement. And I put a 10-40X on myself, and I am a sovereign being, and you cannot arrest me under that law.
Why are you yelling at me?
I'm just telling you right now, I am sovereign. I'm not part of the group of the Washington State. You can't do nothing to me.
Nothing at all.
Nothing. Look it up.
So explain the 1040X to me. I'm not familiar.
The 1040X means the Federal Reserve freaking had my mother sign my social security and my birth certificate without my acknowledgement, and I sent a 1040X, and now I'm not part of the Federal Reserve, and you cannot arrest me on sovereignty. You cannot. You cannot. I am sovereign. You cannot arrest me.
Can you spell sovereign?
I don't care if I spell sovereign the way you want to. I am sovereign. Just look up 1040X. Look it up. 1040X. I don't have to spell it for you. I am not part of the system no more. My birth certificate, nothing. You can't do nothing to me.
Later, the mother began to cry, and her daughter had to comfort her.
They don't get it. You're either gonna go to heaven or hell. That's it. No, I love them. They defend us. Do the right thing. They're alive.
No.
They're
having a conversation amongst each other.
No, they're gonna.
Not everything's about you.
No, guess what? If you decipher one way or the other, you will be gnashing your teeth. You will be gnashing your teeth, and so will your family.
After multiple warnings, the woman still refused to comply, so the officers pulled her out of the car and placed her under arrest.
Come on. Come here.
You don't have a right.
Come here.
What did I do wrong?
No, you're under arrest.
For what? I didn't drive, sir. You never saw me drive. What
Stephanie
right?
saw you in actual physical.
No, he did not. Stephanie ran.
5429 Gray Chevy to Robert Lodge, 4603 Wendy Hemingway.
Driver's seat, sir. He has nothing on video, he told me. He has nothing on video. He saw a girl running away. I don't know why I'm getting arrested. Sorry, I never drove the car. I've been in the passenger seat.
You never drove my car?
I never drove that car, sir.
Have a seat, please. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Can I have
And
my...
watch your head.
Yes, sir.
The woman was charged with DUI, refusal to submit to testing, obstruction, and driving with a suspended license. These offenses carry serious consequences, including possible jail time, fines up to $1,000 or more, and extended license suspension. If convicted, she may also be required to attend DUI education programs and serve probation. This is indeed a chaotic situation, isn't it? Let's examine what viewers have commented on after the video was circulated. I see why the parents divorced, daughter is with the dad and doesn't have a real relationship with her mom. Young lady, keep doing things right. I feel so bad for children who have to be their parents' parent. She drove drunk with her daughter in the car, then blames the daughter. Real classy lady. Refusing to cooperate during a DUI stop and making false claims can lead to harsher penalties. This Karen is already a mess, so what about the next one? Let's keep watching.
Alright, can you turn around for me, put your hands on your back? You're being placed under arrest for driving under the influence.
On January 3rd, 2024, at around 5:39 p.m., the nearby Ringwood Police Department alerted Wenatchee police officers of an unpredictable motorist heading south on Ringwood Avenue.
Okay.
And if you want, I have videos of her hitting things.
Okay. You were behind the vehicle?
Yeah.
Alright, give me 1 sec. 6'4" to Wanacue. It's gonna be Pennsylvania Reg, Mike Hotel Delta 8501. Alright, do you know where they went?
She stumbled that way.
She probably went to the smoke shop. Right there? Yeah. You said gray sweatshirt? Oh, where'd she go? Here, stand here. Do you have a video of her coming out of the car?
Coming out of the car? Possibly not.
Now you said she struck the guardrail?
Yeah, up here, she hit it.
Okay.
Here.
Yeah, let me see the video and I want to see...
This is of her hitting curbs.
Alright.
You want me going sidewalk?
So there's a female party in the smoke shop right now with a pink sweatshirt, gray sweatpants, and Ugg boots. So we're waiting to see. Oh, so she's all over the road.
Yeah, and then there's I think a part in this video where she literally almost hits a utility pole, but I was on the phone with the cops.
Alright, do you wish to file a complaint against the driver?
Yeah.
You do? Okay,
Because
not a problem. Not a problem. You have every right to. So we're going to make contact with her.
Okay.
Yeah, that's pretty...
This is only halfway through the video, too.
Okay, yeah, just hang tight.
That's something right now. I gotta go run up to get my camera.
Alright.
And then it just gets worse as we keep watching.
So what I'm going to need you to do is just hang out tight for me. Okay, we're going to have you email that video to us. All right.
Yeah, he said he'd give me an email to send it to.
So just hang tight, okay?
While speaking with Jillian, officers noticed signs of intoxication and asked her to do sobriety tests.
Alright, so we have video footage of you all over the road, okay?
Okay.
People are calling, they're concerned about your driving behavior, okay? Are you under the influence of anything tonight?
No, you can test me on anything
Okay.
you'd like me.
Alright, not a problem. Yeah, we're gonna. Okay, so just hang tight for me, okay? You got your registration, your license, and insurance on you? 6'4" to Wanacue. Can you send a unit to perform HDN?
Oh, you're welcome. Congrats.
Brett, give her your email to send the video to.
Even if I did hit a guardrail, what's the problem?
So are you admitting you hit a guardrail?
No, I'm just asking. Like, is it illegal to hit a guardrail?
It's leaving the scene of an accident.
It's illegal leaving the scene of accident, you said?
You could be written a summons for leaving the scene of an accident.
No, I totally get that, but
Okay, but...
even if I did hit a guardrail and made no damage to property, then it's like... Are you pulling me over?
Well, we didn't pull you over. You were already pulled over. We're just talking to you because now it's an investigation. Okay.
Yeah, I just don't understand. Like hitting a guardrail turns into an investigation.
Because we have video footage. We have video footage of you driving in an unsafe manner down Ringwood Ave. Okay.
Okay, so no, I totally understand that.
So now here's how it works. We get a call for service. Okay. All right, for an unsafe driver. Okay. All right, we make contact with the vehicle. We make contact with the driver. You're saying there's nothing wrong. So now we're doing our due diligence. Okay.
No, absolutely, officer. I'm not trying to test you or anything.
So
I'm
look,
just asking.
All right. So
Here's
based
my
on the
license and here's my registration.
all right. So based on the video footage, it was a little alarming to us. Okay.
I've just gone through a breakup.
Okay. I'm sorry to hear that. Okay.
No, me and my boyfriend just broke up. I've been very upset. I was just coming here to get a vape.
Okay. Nothing wrong with coming to get a vape, but like I said, based on the video footage of the driving.
Absolutely.
Okay.
I understand too.
All right. So now we're going to investigate. Okay. If we don't see anything about your okay.
See anything about your?
Sorry, I had to listen to the radio. Okay. So now, if we don't believe you're under the influence of everything or intoxicated, you're going to be on your way because now the incident also happened in Ringwood. So Ringwood contacted us looking for this vehicle.
Okay.
Okay. You hit a guardrail in Ringwood. Witnesses called it into Ringwood.
Okay.
You traveled into our jurisdiction. We made contact with the vehicle.
I'm not questioning you at all,
Okay.
sir.
All right. So now what I'm going to ask you to do is step over here on the sidewalk. Okay. All right. So now are you willing to do some tests for us?
Absolutely.
Okay.
The initial test conducted was the horizontal gaze nystagmus, NANE, carried out by Officer William Lopez.
Okay, stand with your feet together, your arms down to your side, just like this. Okay. Do you have contacts in?
No.
Do you wear glasses?
No.
Okay. So there's nothing hindering your eyes from moving left to right. Okay. So, can you see the tip of this pen?
Yes, I can.
All right. What I'm going to ask you to do is follow the tip of this pen with your eyes and your eyes only.
Okay.
Understand?
Yes. Yeah, don't. How many times have you do it? I remember doing all this in high school.
During the walk and turn test, Jillian did not maintain heel-to-toe contact on each step and executed the turn incorrectly.
3. Okay. I did 3 for demonstration purposes. You're going to do 9.
8, 9, okay.
9. Okay. Do you understand the test?
Yes,
okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to count your steps out loud.
Okay.
Look down at your feet. Keep your hands down to your side, and do not stop until the test is complete.
Honestly, officer, before I do this test,
Yeah. Absolutely.
do you absolutely agree with this showing people if they're drunk or not?
It is a good indication. Okay.
No, absolutely. I'm just wondering. But to you as a person,
Okay.
think
Do you mind?
this is a good test if someone's drunk or not?
It definitely helps.
Okay. Absolutely.
Okay.
So 9 steps back and pivot. 9 steps in.
Do you understand the test? All right. Get in the starting position. Hands down at your side. Okay. You may begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Pivot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
The last test was the one-leg stand, during which Jillian was unable to lift her foot correctly and lowered it before completing the exercise.
Stop.
Okay, I'm just letting you know, officer.
Okay.
I'm not trying to fight with you or anything. I absolutely respect everything that you do.
Okay.
I have a very bad center of gravity.
Okay. So.
And I have medical.
Okay.
Notes
All that'll be
regarding
taken into consideration. Okay.
I'm just saying.
Okay. You like to
I
interrupt
just-
a lot, though. That's the
I'm
thing.
not interrupting.
You're interrupting me explaining the test. Okay.
Sir, I am not interrupting you.
You
I
are.
am informing you on what the things that are going on.
Okay. All
So,
that will
go
be
ahead,
taken into
proceed with your
consideration.
test.
Okay, so hands down at your side, feet together. Okay, now I'm going to demonstrate the test for you.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to choose to raise my right foot. 1001, 1002, 1003. Yep, and you're going to stare down at your foot the entire time, okay? So do you understand the test?
Yes.
So you're going to choose
How
either
long
foot.
should I have to count?
You're going to count until I tell you to stop.
Okay.
Okay, so do you understand the test?
Yes.
All right, you're going to raise either foot 6 inches off the ground, keep it parallel, look down on it, hands at your side, and count in the increments of 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000 until I tell you to stop.
Absolutely. Okay.
Okay, so you understand the test?
Yes, I absolutely
Okay,
understand.
can you get in the starting position for me, please? Okay? All right, you may begin.
3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000, 6 1,000, 7 1,000.
Yep, if you put your foot down, just continue counting where you left off, okay?
8 1,000, 9 1,000, 10 1,000, 11 1,000, 12 1,000, 13 1,000, 14 1,000, 15 1,000, 16 1,000, 17 1,000, 18 1,000, 19 1,000.
All right, you can stop. You can put your foot down.
Due to vehicle damage, witness statements, the smell of alcohol, and failed sobriety tests, Jillian was arrested for DUI.
All right, can you turn around for me? Put your hands behind your back. You're being placed under arrest for driving under the influence, okay?
I put my foot down. I get considered on driving under the influence.
Okay.
Can someone please explain that to
We'll
me?
explain everything to you inside, okay? Go ahead.
I have a freedom of speech, and I have the right to know exactly what I want to say.
Based on the totality of the circumstances, you are being placed under arrest for driving under the influence. Okay? 6-4 to 1, Q 1016.
Alright, I'm gonna search you, okay? I'm a female. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pat you down. You have anything that's in your pockets that can poke me, stick me, hurt me, anything like that? You gotta, which pocket is that? Right. Your right front pocket? Yep. Okay, perfect. This is your vape?
Is there anything you need?
Insurance info, whatnot.
Stop.
You get the patience of a saint.
Yeah, they're trying to, right? Template.
Watch your step to your left.
Okay, watch your head. Okay, now this officer, she's gonna reach over you to put the seatbelt on, okay?
Just sit back.
Jillian was charged with multiple offenses, including driving while intoxicated, DUI, careless driving, and failing to carry her license, registration, and insurance. As punishment, she was fined $830, required to install an ignition interlock device for 3 months, and had to complete 12 hours at an intoxicated driver resource center. After the video was posted on the internet, people shared their thoughts in some comments. That walk was something else. She was trying really hard to sell that she was pigeon-toed. A straight jacket would look much better on her. Can't believe they arrested her even after she explained that she has a medically documented bad center of gravity. This shows how one poor decision can lead to lasting consequences. Always drive responsibly and stay prepared. Let's move on to the next case.
I'm so
On October 4th, 2024, Euclid police officers Goodhart and Hankins noticed a vehicle committing multiple traffic offenses.
Hi, can you open your window? Thank you.
Officer,
Hi. I'm going home, and
Okay.
I was donating to a benefit that I just left from.
All right. Well, my name's Officer Goodhart.
And I'm a server at the bistro in Bretnall, and whatever you need, I got you.
Okay.
I'm not,
Listen, I just stopped you because your headlights were off, right? You were
Are
also
they really?
Yeah, you were also swerving back there. Maybe it wasn't your headlights, but your taillights were definitely
my
off.
headlights were off.
Okay. Well, we have all that on camera. Do you have your license, registration, proof of insurance?
Yes. I mean, what is this? Registration.
All right. Perfect. What about your license?
So I do have that in.
Where are you coming from?
Well, I'm coming from work.
Where's work?
Bistro, Bretnall. I just started.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Started.
And you're headed home?
Yes.
This is your current address on 332nd?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
That is my current address, sir.
Okay. Usually take this route home? Or you just said you just started? Okay, fair enough.
I am so new. So I literally just started a week ago.
Oh, okay.
And I work at the. I just got fired from the job a week ago.
Well, I'm sorry to hear that.
That's okay.
Mm-hmm.
But now I'm at the bistro.
Perfect.
And I work there now.
Okay.
And I will give you what I'm not.
How about your license?
I'm looking for. I do have a license.
Okay.
Oh, here we go. I have a lot of.
Okay. Just hang tight. All right, Miss Stacy, just hang tight, okay?
All right, my knee's out, so.
Okay. I almost always find these at the most inopportune times. Yeah, it doesn't help that she has a fancy cocktail book on a passenger seat. That's really not much. A bigger articulable fact is she's heading home, but she's going to 232nd.
Yeah, she has her. You could also say that she is saying she's headed home, but she doesn't know her address because she has her maps up on her phone.
She's completely slurred. I'm gonna do like the alphabet thing. All right, ma'am. We are having a computer issue back there.
Hey, no problem. What do you need from me?
The woman's slurred speech raised Officer Goodhart's suspicion of intoxication. When asked to recite part of the alphabet, she refused.
We are having a computer issue back there.
Hey, no problem. What do you need from me? Because I'm not cooperating.
I'm going to hand this back to you for now.
I
well, just this
went to work, got out of work, hung out with my coworkers, and I'm going home. So
you said you're a server there?
Yeah.
Okay.
I feel like I saw you there.
Probably not. I've been here all night. So I have a couple questions. So listen, you're slurring your speech right now.
Well, yeah.
Your
I'm
eyes
nervous.
are glassy. I get it, right? Have you had anything to drink tonight?
No.
Okay. Can you do me a favor? I just want to make sure you're good. Do you know the alphabet?
Yeah.
Okay. Could you?
I'm learning Spanish.
Oh, cool. Can you recite the alphabet starting at C and ending at X? So starting at C and ending at X. Do you think you could do that?
Are you f***ing with me?
I am absolutely not.
You want me to start this alphabet from C to X backwards?
Correct. I didn't say backwards. Just starting at C and ending at X.
If you want to arrest me right now, I will get a lawyer.
I'm not.
You're up.
I'm trying, ma'am. I'm trying not to arrest you. All right.
All right.
But at this,
arrest me right now,
ma'am.
I don't even know why you arrest me. So first of all, number one.
Okay. So listen. You're slurring your speech. You have glassy eyes.
I will slur my speech.
Listen. It's 3 a.m. Okay.
I'm tired.
All right. You said you're on the way home. Correct.
Can I turn my car off?
Absolutely. All right. Listen, you said you're going home to Eastlake. You are about 100 blocks away from there.
I am going home,
Okay.
sir.
I'm saying everything added up.
Respecting you.
Okay.
And what do you need me to do?
All right.
You
Once
need
again,
to
once again.
What do you need me to do?
All right, so once again, start your alphabet, starting at C, ending at X. How's that? We'll just start there.
Z?
Starting at C, so A, B, C,
So you want
ending
me
at
to
X.
count my alphabet?
Well, recite your alphabet, the alphabet, starting at C, ending at X.
Just give me a DUI.
All right, why are you calling somebody right now?
I'm giving you my phone.
I don't want your phone. You're calling somebody. Hang that up.
You apparently want me
Okay.
to fail this ridiculous test.
Ma'am, I'm trying to rule out that you are not intoxicated so I can let you go home, but right now you're kind of making me lean the other way at this point.
I want
all right?
to work with you, but
So,
I don't understand.
all right, so let's skip the part where you lied to me and just be honest.
I'm not lying to you. I'm just asking you. You're asking me
The woman was asked to leave her vehicle to undergo standardized field sobriety tests.
for a living.
Do you understand what I do for a living?
Yes.
Okay.
You risk your life every day.
Okay, and listen.
So for you to
I don't-
ask me a stupid thing.
Okay, I'm gonna have you step out of the car right now. Okay, so unlock your door, please.
Here's my.
All right, listen, I want to make sure you're not intoxicated, okay?
Here's my phone.
Okay, I don't know why you're calling somebody right now. I'm gonna
not
hang that up.
calling anybody.
You were. So,
No, I'm
listen.
not. No, I'm not.
Okay.
What is your name?
My name's
I'm not calling anybody.
Okay,
I'm not calling anybody.
Okay, listen,
And I'm tired of people bothering me all day.
Okay.
I work a bartender job.
Okay, and I
So
really.
I am working with you.
Okay.
What do you need me
All right,
to do?
we're gonna step over here out of the road, okay?
Okay. Whatever you need.
All right.
Do it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Can you turn off the front lights, please? All right,
Working with you.
ma'am, would you be willing to just take a couple tests, show me that you're okay to drive?
Yeah.
Would that be all right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, do you have any issues with your eyes, your back, or your knees?
I am 42.
Okay.
And I have no issues with my eyes, and
Perfect.
I hope you're recording this.
And do you, yeah, perfect. And do you?
And I want my lawyer.
Okay.
Who are you? Are you a rookie?
Yeah,
Are
he's
you training
yeah.
him?
Yeah,
Training
right now.
him?
So,
Okay. So where's my lawyer?
okay.
I think I need a lawyer.
Right now, you're not under
to
arrest, so you
fucking
don't need one.
arrest me.
Okay, ma'am, you
with
don't need to be
bullshit.
rude. Okay, there's no need to be rude and swear at me. I've
Where's
been nothing.
my lawyer?
Okay, where is he? Was that who you're calling?
Is he my lawyer?
What's your lawyer's number? I'll call him.
Do I need a lawyer? Are you arresting me?
No, not right now.
Communicated anything.
Okay, I'm trying to, but you keep interrupting me. Okay,
What
so
do we need here?
I just need you to answer my questions. Pretty simple.
While taking the tests, she repeatedly requested an attorney and refused to cooperate, forcing the officers to place her under arrest.
Can you see that right there?
I could see that.
Okay, I'm just gonna hold that up. You're gonna keep your head still, and you're just gonna follow it with your eyes. Okay? Pretty easy. Just follow it with your eyes. Not me.
I'm not following you.
Follow my finger with your eyes.
Call my lawyer.
Okay. Are you refusing to take the tests? Okay.
Why would I want to take a test?
Okay, do me a favor, put your hands behind your back.
Giving me a test.
You're under arrest for operating a vehicle while under the influence, okay? I'll give you another opportunity to take the tests, okay?
I don't like that you're giving me some sort of weird test.
Okay.
I have borderline personality disorders.
Okay.
You could tell your lawyer or
Okay.
your governor.
Okay, you're gonna go in the back of the car, okay?
I'm cooperating too, because I'm not.
Okay, we're just gonna have you sit back here. Right now you're under arrest for operating a vehicle intoxicated.
But I'm not.
Okay. Just stand right here, okay? All right.
Yes, and I'm not operating.
All right, do me a favor. I just need to make sure your mouth's clear of any
You can't
debris.
even talk right.
Okay.
I'm sorry, you can't even say favor right. Where's my lawyer?
Ma'am.
You can't even say favor right. Where is my lawyer?
Okay, you're just going in the back of the car.
Okay.
All right.
Where's my lawyer?
I'm going to advise you of your rights back here.
Where's my lawyer?
Okay. Have a seat.
Thank you. Where's my lawyer?
Okay.
And thank you. Where's my lawyer?
All right, so listen up. You have the right to remain silent. Any statement you may
Thank you for ruining my life.
Okay,
And
once again,
where's my lawyer?
you have the right to remain silent.
Ruining
Any
my
statement
life.
you
Where's my lawyer?
Okay.
Thank you
Keep
for
reading it,
ruining
bro.
my life. I don't understand.
I'm going to read this to you when we get back to the station, okay? All right.
Ma'am, can I check your mouth for anything? Can you open your mouth? Can you lift your tongue up?
All right.
Yeah, I'm on drugs, bro.
Okay, can you lift your tongue up?
I wish I was.
Okay.
After being escorted to the back of the patrol car, the woman became really hostile and annoying.
How much money do I have to pay you to get me out of this? Literally.
You don't pay us anything.
I can't sneak my way out of it. That's okay. Can you at least tell those people that I work for that I can't show up tomorrow? I'm so f***ed. All I did was serve people alcohol. That's all I did. I am brand new at a job. I serve people alcohol. And I never worked here. And I just gave them alcohol. And you're gonna ruin my life? Okay.
The woman was charged with operating a vehicle impaired OV, driving without headlights, and failure to drive within marked lanes. For the OV charge, she could face fines, a potential license suspension, and mandatory DUI education. Many people commented on this circumstance and the girl's reaction in the published video. Any person with 5 DUI arrests should lose their license forever. She speaks fluent Slurish. I met my wife in my ambulance. She was drunk and suicidal, but she called me handsome, said no paramedic ever. This case highlights the importance of cooperating with police during traffic stops. Let's move on to the next case.
There we go.
A parking attendant reported a traffic incident on September 26, 2022, after a pickup truck struck a parking garage sign, seriously damaging it. Here is what happened next.
Damage.
Hey, where you going? Hey, stop walking.
I have not done anything to be detained.
What is going on?
She wants me to drunk drive her home, and I'm not going to drunk drive her home.
She wants you to drive her home?
Yeah, I'm not going to drive her home. I have done nothing right to be detained.
Do you have any ID on you?
Yeah, I'm going to go to my car.
Where's your ID?
I'm going to go to my car.
Where is your ID?
I'm going to my car.
Where is your ID?
I'm going to my truck.
We're going to go back there, and we're going to figure this out. So go back down there.
I have done nothing to be detained.
Go back down there.
Why am I being detained?
For some sort of traffic crash, we're trying to figure out the investigation.
No,
okay?
I am not.
So you're not free to go. You're not free to go.
I have not been detained.
We're going this
I have
way.
not been detained.
I will put you in handcuffs if you do not start
Okay, I have
walking down.
not been detained.
Let's go.
I have not been detained.
Let's go. Come on. Come on.
Do not touch me.
Come on.
Do not.
Come on.
Ma'am, do not
Let's
touch
go.
me.
Let's go.
Do not touch me.
We're going to try to figure this out.
I have not done anything.
We're going to figure out the investigation.
I have
Go
not
back down
done
there.
anything.
Let's go.
Do not touch me.
Ma'am, I'm about to put you in handcuffs.
Do not touch me.
This way.
Do not touch me.
Can you please walk this way?
Okay, I have not done anything.
Walk this way,
for you
ma'am.
to touch me.
You're not
Do not
following
touch me.
directions. Let's
I
go.
have not done anything to be detained. What have you been?
She's about to be put in handcuffs if she doesn't start listening.
We're doing an investigation. We can detain you if we want to.
There's no investigation.
There is an investigation.
My
because we got a call.
friend flagged you guys down because you drunk. Okay?
Okay.
My friend
We got a
flagged
call
you guys
about
down.
something.
There's no reason for me to be detained.
Things are starting to heat up. Instead of remaining calm and cooperating with the officers, the girl kept yelling and refused to hand over her ID.
Why not? Don't try to confuse me. My friend is drunk as
Your ID or not?
you guys. You guys, I'm not detained. I have done nothing
You are
wrong.
detained,
A million
and
other
you need to
people.
identify
no,
yourself.
No, a million other people have gone to their cars and done wrong. A million other people. When I was on my way here, some dude was four-wheeling in his thing. 2 wheels
What
on
does
a
that have
dirt
to do
bike.
with the...
I have done nothing wrong.
Ma'am, I need to see your ID.
No, you guys.
You're not free to go.
Give me my phone. Give me my phone. I have done nothing wrong. Give me my phone. Let go of me.
Are you good, Miss Lightfoot?
Let go of me. I have done nothing wrong. Let go of me. Let go of me. Let me grab my phone.
Hey, Miss, how are you?
I have done nothing wrong.
Relax for a second, just relax.
You guys.
It's not very nice. Watch your face.
Haley. Haley, I have done nothing wrong to get arrested.
Relax, man. Go your keys.
Grab my phone. Right there. Grab my phone.
Go your keys.
Grab my phone.
Let go of your keys. Do you understand me?
What have I done wrong to be detained?
Let go of
How am
your
I being
keys.
detained? How am I being detained?
I'm gonna knee strike
Tell
you
me.
if you don't let go of your keys.
Knee strike me. How am I being detained? How am I being detained?
I'll speak to her again.
Yeah.
You should probably stop, okay? You should probably stop doing that.
Oh, she said that. Okay. How am I being detained?
Although she was handcuffed, the woman kept struggling, forcing the officer to pin her to the ground before quickly escorting her to the police car.
How am I being detained? Tell me, how am I being detained? What have I done wrong? Tell me.
There we go.
You could have prevented that.
Chill out. What the have I done wrong?
You could have prevented that from happening. I would stop doing that, okay?
What the have I done wrong? I'll do the What the have I done wrong? What the have I done wrong? No, tell me to my face. Tell me, what the have I done wrong?
Well, you're having issues listening. Let's start with that.
Wait, look. What the have I done wrong? Haley!
I don't know,
Haley!
if they're doing the traffic crash.
Haley, what the have I done wrong?
Hey, can you just calm
Okay,
down?
no, but look.
Just calm down.
I've never been arrested in my life, and what the
Okay?
Why? Why?
Okay? For an investigation.
For what?
For an investigation.
Can I look at you for a second?
No, you can't, actually.
Because what the Can I talk to you for a second? I've never been arrested in my life. Where's my proof?
So we figure out what's going on.
Can I talk to you for a second? Look, can I guys talk to you for a second? I've never been arrested in my life. Can I please talk to you?
Face that.
No, look, can I please talk to you? I've never been. Why am I being detained? Can I please talk to somebody?
Get in.
Please.
Get in.
No, let me please talk to you. Please. Please, please, let me talk to you, please, for a second. I'm sober, please. Okay, you know what?
Get in the vehicle.
You guys detain me for no reason. Yeah.
You got your friends out of your truck?
Yeah. You.
Can she have her purse?
You.
Later, the officers went to the woman's friend to gather further information.
What was the argument over, man?
We came from the bar. We were both drinking. And we got in the truck, and I insisted on driving because I felt like I was more sober, which I'm not. But she was very prominent on driving, so I let her drive. We hit this curve right here coming out, and I stopped her and I said, "Caroline, let me drive. It'll be fine," which it's not.
Which
it wasn't.
curve?
I'm not okay to drive.
Which curve?
This close. This the one over there by the white side. And I felt her hit it, and I said, "Caroline, let me drive." She said, "No, I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine." And I got out and I tried to put the slip in that we got coming in. And the young lady over there talking to the other officer, she came over eventually and said, "Do you need help?" And I said, "Yes, ma'am." And she's like, "You're in the wrong lane for, I don't know, like there's an exit or whatever?" Yeah, the wrong exit. That one's for like a primary resident, and this one is for visitors or whatever. So, in that exit, she said, Caroline said, "I'm fine, don't worry about it." After the lady came over and tried to help us and told us, "Hey, you're in the wrong lane," I said, "Let me drive. I'll drive. I'll take care of it." And that's where our argument began, because she wanted to drive and I wanted to drive, and in my heart I knew neither one of us could drive. And she got very aggressive, and I just walked away. I walked on the street, and then she came out saying the cops are coming. I was like, "Well, if they have to come, they have to come. I don't know what to tell you." She's like, "We have to leave," and I'm like, "No, we're not leaving. My purse is in the garage, my phone, I have to work in the morning." It was not supposed to end this way.
After leading the disruptive woman to their squad car, she continued deflecting all full of blame onto her friend that she is the one causing the incident.
Is she being nicer or no?
No.
Yes, I am. I have done nothing wrong to be detained. What have I done wrong?
Do we know where we're at with this so far?
I have done nothing wrong to be detained.
Doing the craft.
I gotta wait for him to come.
There too. We're waiting.
Sure.
Let me the out of here. I've done
I'm just
nothing
gonna go on your side to
wrong.
secure my wallet for the Miranda. Alright. You can hear me? Is that a yes or no? Alright, so my name is Officer Johnston with the Fort Myers Police Department, okay? Officer Warlick is doing the traffic crash investigation, okay? Now I am going to conduct a DUI investigation. You are the subject. You are the subject of the investigation.
No, I have not walked to my
Okay.
car. Haley walked to the car, right?
I have to read you something, okay?
No, Haley walked to the car. That is not fair. So my friend Haley can walk away from
Ma'am,
what?
you have to let her finish.
No!
Stop
my
talking.
friend Haley, no!
One will be
No!
appointed
My
for
friend
you
Haley can
before
walk to
any
jail for
question
what?
if you wish. If
My
you
friend
decide to
Haley can
answer
walk to
questions
jail for
without
what?
a lawyer present, you will still have
Yeah.
the right to
You.
answering at any.
You.
You also have to stop answering at any time
Haley
until
can
you
go to
talk
jail
a
for
lawyer.
what?
Do you understand
Haley
the
can
team's
go to
rights
jail
I've
for...
explained to you?
No!
What do you not
No!
understand out of this?
Nothing.
Would
my
you like
friend
me to start
Haley.
again?
Yes. My
Okay.
friend Haley went to jail. My friend Haley
Are
got
you gonna
to
let
walk
me
away. No. My friend Haley got to walk away.
So I'm going to read this
Why
again.
did my friend Haley get to walk away?
So once I get to finish
Why
reading
did-
this,
no.
then you
No.
can answer. Then you
No.
ask me questions,
Why did
and
my
I can
friend
answer
Haley
questions.
get to walk away?
I can't answer that until
Why
I do
did my
this.
friend Haley get to walk away?
I'll wait till you're ready.
I can't understand until you tell me that. Because I was
Unfortunately,
walking down the same sidewalk
So
as Haley.
unfortunately,
No.
the only way I can answer your questions
Okay, I
is
can't
for me
answer
to
any
read this.
questions unless you tell me why.
Then we're
Me
just
and
gonna sit
Haley-
here.
Me and Haley were walking down the same sidewalk, right?
Oh wait.
Right?
Let me know when you're ready and stop
I'm not
interrupting
ready.
me.
Okay. I'd like to talk to the sheriff.
Well, unfortunately, you can't do that.
Okay, well, why was I walking down the same sidewalk
So,
as Haley?
in order for
No,
me to
no, no,
answer
no,
your
no,
questions,
Why
I
was
have to read
walking
this.
down the same sidewalk as
So I'm
Haley?
gonna read this again
No,
to you,
I don't
okay?
I don't give a.
So you have the right to remain
I
silent.
can't understand it. Until you tell me why Haley
So
was
anything you
walking
say
down
can
the
be used
same
against you in
sidewalk
court.
as me.
You have the right
No,
to
I
talk to
can't
a lawyer for
understand that.
advice before we ask you
No.
any questions and have with you
I
during
cannot
questions.
understand that.
What do you not understand?
Because Haley was walking down the same sidewalk as me.
So,
and we got arrested for walking down the sidewalk.
Let me know when you're done.
So why am I arrested for walking down the sidewalk?
You're not under arrest right now.
No.
You're being detained.
For what?
So, in order for me to answer that question, I need to read from here to
No,
here.
no.
That's
my
how it
friend,
works.
Okay, but listen.
It doesn't matter right now.
My friend Haley.
You can tell me that once I finish reading this.
No.
The officer's patience was pushed to the limit as the woman refused to admit her wrongdoing, interrupted them while they were reading her rights, and kept blaming her friend who was with her.
Are you willing to do field sobriety exercises?
Nope.
To make sure that you're able to drive the vehicle
No,
away?
because I wasn't driving to my car.
Okay. At this time, you're under arrest for DUI.
No, I'm not.
When we get
I'd like to call an Uber.
when we
I'd
get
like to call my-
when we
I'd
get
like
down
to call-
to the
I'd
jail,
like to call
are you
my-
willing to provide a breath sample?
Negative.
So you're not willing to provide a breath sample. Okay.
Because Haley was
I
walking
have
my
to
car
read you
drive.
something, okay?
No, you're not, because Haley was walking to my car to drive to my car. No.
Where did I put it?
No. I was not walking to my car. I was calling
There it
an
is.
Uber. So how can you how can you arrest me when I was calling an Uber?
So.
How can you call me when I was calling an
You
Uber?
gotta listen. You have to listen.
No,
Stop
I don't
talking.
understand.
You have to listen
no,
and stop talking.
No, I was calling an Uber. I was calling an Uber. I don't understand.
I am Officer
no,
Johnson,
you,
the
I
Fort
don't
Myers Police
understand.
Department.
I don't understand.
If you fail to submit to the test I
I don't
requested of you,
understand.
so
I was calling an Uber.
are you
I was
willing
calling
to
an Uber.
Are you going to
I was
provide a
calling
breath
an
sample?
Uber. I was calling an Uber.
Are you going to provide a breath
No,
sample?
because I was calling an
No.
Uber.
Okay, I'm going to give you one more chance. Okay?
No, because I was calling
when
an
we get
Uber.
down to the jail, are you willing to
No,
provide a
because
breath
I was
sample?
calling an
No.
Uber.
Okay.
Hey, can you
You're
take
under-
my number?
You're under arrest for DUI.
941. Because 941 DUI.
In the end, as Karen faced several charges after the incident, she was accused of driving under the influence, DUI, that resulted in property damage, being impaired by alcohol or drugs, and resisting law enforcement. These charges could lead to criminal penalties, including fines, license suspension, or even jail time. That was a crazy situation, wasn't it? Let's check the comments below to see how people react to this case. Alcohol entitlement, the absolute worst. I hope Haley watches this, sees that your so-called friend wanted you in jail so bad that all she talked about was why you weren't arrested for over 5 minutes. This isn't your friend. Mommy or daddy never told the little shit no. A key lesson from this incident is that refusing to cooperate with law enforcement and failing to take responsibility can quickly escalate a situation. That's all for today's episode. If you enjoy this video, please give us a like and leave the comment below to share your thoughts. To stay updated, don't hesitate to subscribe to Urban Law for more content.